So let us continue with our topic related to states of matter. So again, what are the four states of matter? One, two, three, and the special one? Okay, so please remember that it's not only three states of matter, but we also have additional one, plasma, special type of state of matter. So, matter, this is related to everything or anything that occupies space. And it takes up the space and it contains mass. Okay? So, matter is everything around you. It has mass and takes up space. This is one of the most common definition related to matter. Anything, everything around you, no? Starting from your physical body, no? Your tiny cells in your physical body contain solid, liquid, and gas, right? So from the start, no? From head to toe, it already comprising what we call states of matter, our physical body. And all the things around you. Here, we have solid object, we have liquid object, and of course, cannot be seen, which is gaseous particles. Okay? So therefore, these are mainly those examples that I mentioned before: solid, like kettle, wood, stone, joystick, a car, your boot, your chair, your table, stone, rocks, what else? Container jars, okay, computer, your mobile phone, okay, the television, right? Then how about liquid? Basic examples of liquid. Water, drinkable water, juice, soda, coffee, river, fans, okay, glass of water. Then how about gas? We have nitrogen gas, oxygen gas, okay. Then fire, that's also included. Even smoke is part of it. Then what about plasma? We're going to talk about it. What are those examples of plasma? So, how can we describe when it comes to molecules? So remember, in solid, it has a fixed or definite volume and definite shape. Right? In liquid, now when you try to observe, when it comes to the arrangement of molecules, it's different than solid. Okay? As you can see, and of course in gas, okay? Solid is compact, fixed. The molecules they are very close. No? The molecular particles very close. That is why when you touch solid object, it's hard. Then for liquid, it takes up space, but it's very soft. So, although we can touch water or liquid object, and then the gas, normally not very visible to human eye, but we can feel, like air, carbon dioxide, or oxygen, we can feel that one. Then plasma. This is the lightest gas on Earth. So therefore, solid keeps its shape. Remember, liquid takes the shape of its container, and gas fills its container. So let's discuss this one by one. When it comes to molecular arrangement, for solid, as you can see, as I've explained to you earlier, that the molecules are held together with strong bonding. They don't move very easily. So solid can keep their own shape and sizes. What about liquid? The molecules have weaker bands. They can move around slightly so liquid can flow easily. They can't keep their shape unless they are in a container. That is why water may continue to flow if there is a channel or space. Okay? Next one, gases. So gases, the molecules are free to move around. We can feel. But it's hard for us to see those air particles. Okay? They can spread around an open space quickly and freely. Easy to diffuse. Air particles easy to diffuse. If we can smell something, we can feel. Okay? What is that smell? And where is that smell coming from? Gases cannot keep their shape unless they are kept in a sealed container like balloon or in a vacuum container. Okay? So, to continue, solid hold shape and has fixed volume. Liquid, the shape of container has free surface and fixed volume, while the gas have shape of container and with volume of container. So in this case, we might be able to relate those examples. Okay? Solid holds its shape. So these are the different phases that we can also have, like turning from one matter to another matter. But we will discuss that one later on. So examples like salt, ice, wood, foam, clothes. For liquid, the shape conforms to container. Examples: water, mercury, then glass, soda, and coffee. Then gas, no distinct shape. Examples: air, carbon dioxide, helium, oxygen, propane, butane, methane, and all other gases, nitrogen gas, hydrogen gas. Next, plasma, the special type of matter. No distinct shape, usually visible. Like what? Okay, sunlight. Okay? Light coming from the sun is the best example of plasma. Okay? May contain colors. Lightning, aurora borealis, that usually appears during winter time in some European countries. That's what they call skylight. Okay? Then neon signs, suns and the stars. Okay? Nuclear fireball, and also helium might be considered as also a plasma. It depends on the level of gas, because that is one of the lightest particles on Earth. So, there are different changes of states of matter. Okay? What is it called? Yeah? Remember that it's not only retained. Okay? In our surroundings, heat and light energy is very important to change from one matter to another matter. So, let's try to find out here. Okay, everybody, please tell me what phases of change of matter, which relates based on the three important states of matter. When I say changing from liquid to solid, what is it? Freezing. Okay. Changing from solid to gas. Sublimation. Okay. Changing from gas to liquid. Condensation. That's correct. Okay. Changing from liquid to gas. Boiling or evaporation. Changing from